Math Adventure. Hi friends, I am 1000, ready to solve fun math operations with me. Let's go! 1000 plus 500, 1500, multiplied by 2, 3000. 3000 plus 700, 3700, multiplied by 2, it's 7400. Divided by 2, 3700. Let's solve this. Complete the spelling. Yes, you are right. C-E-V-E-N, 7.
Amazing!
Let's continue. 3700 plus 300, 4000. Multiply by 3, 12,000. Minus 2,000, 10,000. Multiply by 2, 20,000. Plus 5,000 is 25,000. Divided by 5 is 5,000. Let's solve this. Complete the spelling. You can do it. Yes, it's 8. E-I-G-H-T.
Amazing!
Let's continue. 5,000 plus 1,000 is 6,000. Multiply by 10 is 60,000. Minus 10,000 is 50,000. Multiply by 2 is 100,000. Plus 50,000 is 150,000. Divided by 3 is 50,000. Let's solve this. Word scramble. Guess the number. Yes, you are right. It's 27.
Amazing!
Now let's continue. 50,000 plus 10,000 is 60,000. Multiply by 5 is 300,000. Minus 50,000 is 250,000. Multiply by 2 is 500,000. Divided by 2 is 250,000. Plus 250,000 is 500,000. Now solve this. What is the cube of 13? Is it option A or B? Yes, you are right.
Amazing!
2,197. Let's continue. 500,000 multiplied by 2 is million. 1 million. We did it. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Bye.